My sister texted me last night that she was coming over for breakfast and she wants me to make her favorite, Flautas ahogadas de pollo con papa. So let me show you guys how I make them. For this recipe, we're gonna start off by boiling our chicken. I set my pot to medium-high heat with 4 quarts of water. I'm gonna be using 1.5 pounds of chicken breast with bone. I'm also gonna add half of an onion, 1 garlic head, 2 bay leaves, and last, salt and pepper. Cover it up until it's fully cooked. I set my pot with some water and I'm gonna be adding 4 small potatoes and we're gonna cook until soft. It's been 40 minutes and our potatoes are ready. I'm gonna set them to the side and wait for them to cool off before peeling. Meanwhile, we're gonna start working on our tomatillo salsa and I set my pot to medium-high heat with some water. I'm gonna add 1 pound of tomatillo milpero along with 4 garlic cloves, 2 jalapeño peppers, 1/4 of a white onion, and last, 1 poblano pepper. And we're gonna boil until the tomatillos change color. It's been about an hour and our chicken is now ready, and I'm gonna remove it from the heat. It's been about 10 minutes, and as you can see, the tomatillos are ready, and I'm gonna add them to the blender. I'm also gonna add about 1/2 cup of water from where we boiled the tomatillos, some oregano, small bunch of cilantro, and salt to taste. We blend until smooth. In the same pot, I've added some oil and we're gonna start cooking the salsa. I'm gonna stir it and reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 3 minutes. It's been 3 minutes. We're gonna turn it off and set it to the side. I'm gonna start peeling the potatoes. Once they're peeled, I like mashing them with the fork. Now we're gonna shred the chicken. Once shredded, we add some Munster cheese. We add in the potato and mix until well combined. You can add salt to taste. I put my tortillas in the microwave for a few seconds so they can get soft, and we start rolling our flautas. We add some filling, roll it up, and we keep doing the same until we run out of filling. And we roll it up. With this filling, I made about 20 to 25 taquitos. We start frying. We fry on all sides until golden. These are ready and I'm gonna take them out. And we keep frying the rest. Make sure they fry evenly on all sides. Now we start preparing the taquitos. We add some salsa. Some lettuce, Crema Mexicana, and last, some Queso Cotija. Guys, these are amazing. Super, super delicious. And I'm saying this now because I already tried them. I already ate one. So, cheers. And the salsa, oh. Super delicious. And there you have it, delicious taquitos de pollo con papa. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.